Hello everyone, welcome to Eating the Alphabet. I am Miss Nikki from Albert Einstein Medical Center, your fun Eat Right Philly health educator, and I am so excited to be here today. Today we are focusing on the letter H. Can you think of any foods that start with the letter H? H makes the sound. It makes the sound. That's a tough one. Well, there's honeydew melon and a haddock, a type of fish. Huckleberry, hazelnut, and even watermelon. But today, H is for hummus. Hummus. Have you ever had hummus before? Take a good look at the picture. How would you describe the hummus? Does it look like a solid, like an apple, or a liquid, like apple juice, or something in the middle, like applesauce? That's right. It's not quite a solid or a liquid. What color would you call it? Well, I'll say it could be a light brown, tan, or golden, or khaki. Does it look like it grows, comes from an animal, or is it something that is made? Let's find out. What is hummus? Hummus is a very popular dip that is made from chickpeas. I wasn't sure how to describe what a dip was, so I looked it up in the dictionary. It said, a dip is a mixture of ingredients that goes with other foods, such as raw vegetables, chips, or toast, which are dipped into it. There are many different types of dip, like salsa, guacamole, even French onion dip. Some dips are made from ingredients that are good for our body, and some are made from ingredients that aren't that good for us. Chickpeas are a healthy bean, so hummus can be a healthy dip. Chickpeas are a part of the legume family. You may also hear to them referred to as garbanzo beans. Chickpeas are a legume. There are lots of different types of legumes. Black beans, cranberry beans, red or pink kidney beans, and black-eyed peas are some of the other popular legumes. You can see that just like people, they come in all different shapes, colors, and sizes. Can you find the chickpeas or garbanzo beans in this picture? Legumes are beans that dry out in their pods. Let's look at some pictures of how chickpeas grow. In this first picture, it shows how chickpeas grow. Chickpeas grow in a pod on a plant. In this second picture, you can see what chickpeas look like when you open the pods. And the last picture, it shows a whole bunch of chickpeas that have been dried out and are ready for us to buy. Now before we move on, can you tell me which food groups on my plate chickpeas and hummus belong in? I'll give you a hint. It goes in 2 different food groups. When looking at my plate, if you chose the colors green and purple, green for the vegetable group and purple for the protein group, you are right. Chickpeas are a legume. And like all legumes, they can go in either the vegetable or the protein group, depending how you're eating them. For example, if you were having hummus made from chickpeas with your grilled chicken, you would count the chicken as your protein and the hummus as a vegetable. Now, if you were eating hummus with carrots, you can count the hummus as the protein and the carrots as your vegetable. No matter which food group you decide to put them in, they're good for you either way. Remember, hummus is made from beans, and beans have lots of nutrients like potassium, fiber, and iron, which are good for your muscles, stomach, and your heart. Now we are going to learn how to make hummus. Let's make hummus. How many ingredients do you count? Let's see. There's a can of chickpeas, a lemon, and olive oil. 1, 2, 3. That's 3. There are only 3 main ingredients when making hummus. Let's continue to make hummus. Once you have added all your ingredients, you can either blend it or mash it up. You can blend it in a blender or food processor, or you can do Miss Nikki's favorite way and mash it with a fork or smoosh it up in a plastic bag. You can serve this dip with whole wheat pita, carrots, celery, or even spread it on a sandwich. All of these are delicious and healthy options. Let's talk about food safety tips for making hummus. 1. Wash your hands before making or eating hummus. 2. Rinse your beans. Always rinse your beans before you use them. Once made, store in a refrigerator so it stays fresh. Wow, that was a lot of information we learned. Let's recap. Let's review. Do you remember what chickpeas grow in? They grow in a P-O-D. What does that spell? A pod. Great job. Which of the following food groups do chickpeas go in? Are they fruits, grains, dairy, vegetables, or protein? Let Miss Nikki give you a hint. It goes into 2 groups. If you said vegetables and proteins, you are right. Can you remember what this bean is called? Is it A, chickpea, B, garbanzo bean, C, both chickpea and garbanzo bean, or D, navy bean? If you chose C, both chickpea and garbanzo bean, then you are right. Great job. Which of these beans do we use to make hummus? Do we use 1. Black beans, 2. Chickpeas, 3. String beans, 4. Navy beans? If you are having problems remembering, take a look at the picture. Which beans are on top of the hummus? If you chose 2. Chickpeas, then you are right. Great job. Chickpeas are used to make delicious hummus. Next question. Is hummus a 1. Drink, 2. Soup, 3. Dip for salad. If you chose green dip, then you are right.
Yay!
It's a dip. What can you use to dip into hummus? 1. Carrot sticks. 2. Celery sticks. 3. Cucumber slices. 4. Whole wheat pita chips. Or 5. All of the above. If you chose 5, all of the above, then you are right. You can use any of those to dip into and enjoy hummus. Great job! You have been doing such a great job. This is our last question. Chickpeas and hummus are good for which parts of your body? 1. Muscles. 2. Heart. 3. Stomach. Or 4. All of the above. And if you answer 4. All of the above, then you are right.
Yay!
Great job! Way to go, everyone. You all did amazing. I hope you learned a lot today about hummus. 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 Miss Nikki has so much fun teaching you. And as my favorite TV star would say, Miss Carol Burnett, I'm so glad we had this time together just to laugh and sing a song. Since we just got started and before you know it, it's that time to say so long. See you next time.